Okay, so we're at this doctor's office complex, or whatever it is. We're going to attempt to do a retake of the air conditioners. That's what I believe to be a Trane. Let me double check. I think that's a Trane. I don't know, I can't get back to the brand thingy, but I think that's a Trane. And there's more over here as well. There's that place which also has some carriers. So I'm gonna get to those today though. Trane. There's a Trane. And some noisy are Ducanes. These are Ducanes, I think. Alright. Those ones are Ducanes. I said in my last video these were Goodmans, so I don't think they are. I think they're Ducanes. I don't know what this is. Crap. Trane right there. And more trains back there. Alright. This has been a 2014 Andrew B. Dish production.